right. Welcome back, everybody, to the deep dive. Ready to go deep?
Always ready. Let's do it.
Okay, so today we're talking about something that I think will resonate with pretty much everybody listening.
Oh, yeah.
Strength training.
Strength training, yeah. It's something I'm quite familiar with, yes.
But, we're not just skimming the surface here.
No.
We've got this excerpt, and it really dives into how strength training can benefit us throughout, our entire lives.
The whole lifespan.
Yeah, exactly. Not just, when we're young and think we're invincible.
Right. Which we are not, by the way.
No, we are not. Learned that the hard way.
Yeah.
But the thing that really struck me, and I think we should start here, is that strength training is about so much more than just muscles.
Oh, absolutely.
It's way more than just getting those big biceps or whatever.
It is. And that's what's so fascinating about this excerpt is that it highlights these surprising ways that strength training impacts our health.
Yeah. Let's get into some of those surprises.
Okay.
One that really stood out to me was the impact on bone density. I'll be honest. I always thought bone health was something I could just worry about later.
Yeah, I think a lot of people think that.
When I'm older. But this excerpt's nope, think again.
Yeah, it's easy to think of bones as just these static things.
Right.
But they're living tissue.
Oh, wow.
They're constantly remodeling themselves. And as we age, that remodeling process can, get a little out of whack.
Interesting. So it's not just that they're getting older, they're actually changing.
Exactly. And that can lead to weaker bones, higher risk of fractures. But here's the cool part. Strength training actually stimulates those bone cells to build new bone tissue.
So it's like strengthening from the inside out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Making them stronger, more resistant to those age-related issues.
I'm seeing a theme here, building this foundation for our future selves.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It makes me think about other ways that strength training can benefit us as we age. What about metabolism?
Oh, great question.
We all know exercise burns calories.
Right.
But does strength training have a different impact on metabolism than, say, going for a run?
Yes, it does. Think of your metabolism as the engine that powers your body.
Okay, I like that analogy.
Yeah, so strength training, especially when you're building muscle mass, it's like giving that engine a tune-up. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than other tissues. So by building muscle, you're increasing that baseline calorie burn, even when you're just chilling on the couch.
Hold on. So even when I'm being lazy, my muscles are still working hard for me.
That's right.
I could get used to that.
Right.
But okay, hold on. Let's talk about, what about the mental health side of things?
Okay, yeah.
I always feel amazing after a good workout.
Of course, yeah.
But is there more to that feeling than just, being happy I pushed through it?
Oh, for sure. You know that feeling of accomplishment when you, nail a new lift?
Yes, the best.
That's not just in your head. Strength training actually triggers the release of endorphins.
Those feel-good chemicals.
Exactly. It can be so powerful for managing stress, boosting your mood, and, it can even help combat feelings of anxiety and depression.
It's like a natural mood booster, which is something I think we could all use a little bit more of these days.
Absolutely.
And this excerpt makes it clear that these benefits aren't just for, a certain age group.
Nope.
It seems like strength training is something you can adapt and benefit from throughout your entire life.
You got it. It's for everyone.
Really is.
For younger folks, it's about building that solid foundation for long-term health, both physical and mental.
Right.
As you get older, strength training helps maintain independence, mobility, and even cognitive function.
Wow, I didn't realize it could help with that.
Yeah, and the beauty of it is you can tailor it to any fitness level.
Oh, that's good to know.
Whether you're starting with bodyweight exercises or lifting heavy weights, there's a version of strength training that's right for you.
So no excuses. It's really empowering to know that we have the power to build these, stronger, healthier versions of ourselves, no matter where we are in life.
It really is.
So to wrap this all up, I think the big takeaway here is that strength training is about way more than just building muscles.
It's so much more.
It's about building a foundation for a healthier, happier future.
Yeah.
From stronger bones and a faster metabolism to a more positive outlook on life.
Couldn't have said it better myself. So, considering all these amazing benefits, I want to leave you with this. What's one small step you can take this week to incorporate strength training into your life?
That's a good question.
Doesn't have to be anything crazy,
No, you don't have to become a powerlifter overnight.
Exactly.
Just start small.
Just find what works for you and enjoy that journey to a stronger and healthier you.
Love it. Thanks for diving deep with us today.
My pleasure.
And to everyone listening, we'll catch you in the next deep. All right.